And I was like, I was 1 HP, so it was so
Oh, hi,
close.
Mark.
Oh, hi, Gaffy, how you doing? Happy birthday!
Thanks, dude. You're my best friend. Thanks for remembering my birthday like everyone else.
Like everyone else.
I already got my Estus flash to up 8. 8 plus.
All this crap. Fuck out of here.
A toast to our kinship.
Yes.
Toast to Gippy and Luffy, my best friends. in
Same.
Slovenia.
We don't even know each other in real life.
And we never saw.
Agreed.
Alright,
Well.
how about you summon me, eh?
Goes down.
Are you the fire keep perimeter or not?
I am at the Farron Keep perimeter, yeah.
Perimeter.
Perimeter.
Perimeter. Hold on.
Horo.
Guys. Not waiting.
Do you have the password?
I do! I just checked!
Okay.
Alright, dude. You don't have to ear rape us at, like... now.
Rape your ears. Anytime.
Thank you. You're my
I
best
don't
friend.
see any sign. Who's this?
Who this?
Why is the 3 now? Go away.
Who this? Now he's focusing me. What a bitch would. Ugh. My ankles.
They betrayed me.
His ankles betrayed him.
Oh, what the hell was he fucking moonwalking towards you guys?
Yeah,
What the fuck?
lagged so bad.
Don't worry, it's not gonna be the
That's
little
enough.
fire demon again.
Yeah, don't worry about it, dude. You will die by my sword.
What?
Or
And
not.
what? The fuck?
And he one-shot both of us at the same time.
What are you guys
Not
doing?
bad. He literally dashed, and the flame from that literally one-shot us. What the fuck? Nice.
Good fight.
We had him on the ropes and deleted in 1 second. Nice.
If I didn't waste
Why
one
did I say it?
S's before. Haha.
Why do you say having him on the
Hehe.
ropes? Is that from wrestling? If so, it's not a good thing.
What? What do you mean for resting? Oh yeah, he's on the ropes. Yeah, he was resting.
No, wrestling!
Wrestling.
Wrestling?
Yeah, dude, on the
Wrestling,
ropes!
wrestling. W.
Wrestling!
Yeah.
Wrestling! Oh my
Suckle
fucking
my
Jesus
titties, okay,
Christ.
Gappy?
Oh, he's
I wish I could.
Wrestling? Wrestling?
Wrestling.
Resting? Wrestling?
Good.
Wrestling?
Check your ears.
Wrestling.
I'm gonna check my fucking
Golden.
penis because I am erect.
Why are you guys still behind me and following me like bitches? Oh my god.
Episode 12. Wrestling!
Just
Wrestling,
watching
there you
these
go.
two dark- these two
Wrestling.
fucking darkins just fucking fight. Hey!
Nope.
No.
Do not test my knowledge, my infinite knowledge of the wizard reading. Okay. It's this one.
Get out of here!
What the fuck? Why are you moonwalking,
Don't
dude?
question my magic!
Why the fuck are you?
Why are you not?
Quit moonwalking, old man. This is not fucking the Michael Jackson era.
It used to be.
Yeah, it used to be until he died.
Why are you like this?
Because you're old and I'm not. I'm very.
Hey!
My videos never get copyright straight because we have original jokes. 30 viewers. What the fuck? No, all our jokes are original, not stolen.
And
If
that's
you do not think so, yeah, that's what I said. Or whatever that is.
It's probably some leak streamer or something, I don't know.
Alright, summon me. Oh,
Think about it.
yeah, you got the try fingers, boy. You gotta get that shit.
Bye.
Ashley's wet.
Good.
I bought it
One,
from your mom.
five,
And you got the last in
Finger
stock.
last.
You should be happy.
So,
Oh yeah, the last in stock. Oh damn.
30.
Not bad.
Ashen 1.
What the spaghetti, man?
Such a much
first beer is
spaghetti.
done. Second one, yay.
Oh yeah, my beer. Hold my beer.
Listen.
I will not hold anything from you, heretic.
Yeah, boy.
What?
That's right. That's the sound of the men.
That's the sound of the police.
Minimal.
The
The sound of the men, by the way.
Some
Sound of the men. This is the sound of men.
Some man, don't summon me, dude.
Someday.
Why would I leave? Let's go forward. We don't. Get
Nice.
your goddamn ass, this you fucking idiot, man. Oh my dude.
Is your mom gay?
Oh, such a fucking bitch.
It's literally 0 at Estes, so yeah.
How do you waste fucking 20 Estes?
By you triggering every enemy
What a
and
pussy.
attacking
Oh,
Don't-
man,
ah.
triggered it. You were the first guy who was right.
Yay.
Bad boy!
Me trigger. Me trigger.
Just drink some beer and stuff in your pussy, you stupid.
I am. I'm almost on third, dude. You fucking bitches out on first.
Fuck the bitch dude. Maybe right, but fuck you, okay? The wrong throat, dude.
The wrong Bridgie.
It's fucking. It's in the wrong throat, Reggie. What do I do?
Drink something and you keep coughing.
It's in the wrong throat, dude. Come on. What do I do? What do I do? What do you do in this situation?
Anything except beer, it's gonna kill you! Oops, too late.
Alright, I'm gonna drink some beer.
Drink more beer.
Still in the wrong throat. Come on, Richie. Their method's bullshit.
Drink more.
It doesn't work. I'm telling you, man, it doesn't work.
Keep drinking, don't stop.
I'm already down to the 7th bottle. Okay.
Oh, you would be kind of person who watched that show.
Don't stop believing. Because your mom is gay.
Seinfeld is a good show.
I mean, I watched Seinfeld unironically, so maybe, yeah. Yeah. If you're German.
What do you mean? I mean, I guess that's true.
What do you mean? You are German.
What are you doing?
Dude, the fucking most stupid
Gabe,
fake
you
drama
know what?
ever.
I love you. The best. Yeah. Once you're gay forever.
I'm gay. Yeah, I know.
Can't go back.
Once you're gay, dude, you just can't decide anymore.
The Jilly Juice, dude.
What?
Unlucky.
What's jelly juice?
Yeah. Cures their gayness.
Gotta get that jelly juice.
What else, dude?
Have you not ever had
Yeah.
jelly juice? It gives you immortality, dude.
Just cut your arm off, drink some Jilly Juice, and then fap with the arm. You know?
And it grows back your limbs, dude.
What?
Is it like a sensu bean? Yeah.
Pretty, be careful. I don't want to see my mom
I turned around
So
for a second, I get super
Alright.
slapped in the back.
gay. What the fuck?
Back again, perfect.
Ninja cat. Do you just assume my cats are ninjas?
I was like,
That's
you
right.
actually got like stabbed in the back by a ninja cat. You know what I mean? Like,
Stop
you
assuming!
just died.
Hey, move channel.
Oh my god, that's too funny. He just goes there and no one's talking. Oh my god.
Good.
That's actually so cruel. It's actually amazing. The best part, honestly, was your reaction. He moved into the channel!
Yes.
That was so funny. God,